guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is memiecarvel and I'm back at it with another Shein clothing haul. Yes indeed, because a lot of you guys was asking me to do another haul. You guys did love my previous haul and the previous pieces that I did put on my Instagram reels. So I was like, you know what, I do have a lot of pieces, so let me just mix things together and just put this as another haul because I have a lot of stuff. You guys don't understand. Before I moved, I gathered a lot of stuff. But yeah, so if you're feeling this review, make sure you're giving me a thumbs up and commenting your thoughts down below. Please comment which was your favorite piece in this haul. Don't forget to follow all of my socials at the end, and yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is going to be the first outfit, which is this dress. It's like a zebra print type of dress. It has a lot of hints of orange and green and also black. I just love the way this feels. It feels like a cotton type spandex feel. I did get this in a size small. I do have a lot of room to move. I just love the way it hugs my body. This is how the back is looking. I did wear it with my bra, and it does have like this thin spaghetti strap, which is adjustable. You can adjust it just like how you adjust your bra. You can adjust it as well. But yeah, I did this outfit first because I just love the colors. I just love the way it popped. For me, if I was to really wear this, I'd probably wear this with a blonde wig, but I'm not sure. I just want something long, straight, bone straight blonde. And yeah, I just really love this look. Like, if it's something that you're gonna get, I think this will be a look. All right guys, so here is the next outfit that I am wearing. This cute mesh dress. I just love this color. Like, if you guys notice, like for me, my color is more copper orangey. I love these bright colors that accentuate my skin complexion, and I just love this. So the bottom has like a lettuce look. So if you know, like when you're eating lettuce, it has that wiggly wavy line. So that's what it's giving me on the bottom and all over here. I just paired it with some black panties and black bra. That's what I was gonna wear it with anyways. I just love the swirly orange and green and bluish and aqua color it's giving me. It's very stretchy. I got this in a size small. I just love the way it just hugs my curves, and I just love the way the back is looking. It gives me support coverage so it doesn't show my bra, so that's actually a good thing. I don't like outfits that, you know, show the bra and this covers the back area. If I was to wear this, of course, I would either bring it out with some green heels or orange heel or a green bag and orange bag. I do want to bring out some more colors of this look. But yeah, if this is something that you're gonna get, you could get this too, because this is like more of a beach attire. But for me, I would wear this in a club scenery. So yeah, you could do either or with this look. Wear some nightshades, and yeah, this is a look though. Okay guys, so before I begin on this outfit, I want to talk about the hair that I am wearing. I know you guys want to ask about it, so I'm not sure if this review will be up before the hair review, so I'm not sure which one's going to be up first, but just make sure you guys are turning on your post notification bells in the future so you guys don't miss any more on this look, because she's a cutie. Okay, so this dress right here is a tiger print bodycon dress. Super stretchy, very fitted. I love the way it feels. I'm not sure on the material, but it is a stretchy look. The tiger print goes all over on the side and the back as well. You see that the sides are lighter. Well, this side is actually lighter and then this side is darker, but I just love the whole concept of this look. I would wear it with some nice black heels with some cute accessories. And also the thing with me, I think the straps, I was actually looking at the model to see if I was wearing it right, because the strap, I won't wear it with my bra, but it has like these two straps where it goes, I don't know, it goes all over. It's like this string, they're all connected. So I thought I was wearing it wrong, but unfortunately it's the right way. But yeah, because it feels kind of awky a little bit. But yeah, so it's just one string that goes all over. And yeah, but this dress is super cute. I just love the pattern. I'm very into more so like zebra print. It could be croc skin, it could be cheetah print, anything that has print that has my name written all over it. Here is the next piece right here, and I am in love with this look. It is a bodysuit intertwined with a dress, which is meshed out. So if I lift this up, you'll see it's like a bodysuit as well. I don't want to show too much for YouTube purposes. But yeah, so it has like a bodysuit under, which is like a thong like, and I love the way it fits. Like for me, of course, I did mention in my last haul, if you guys did watch my last haul, my fupa area is kind of my sensitive area, so of course I would wear like a waist shaper under just to smooth me out a little bit more. But this is a very meshy, stretchy material. I think I got this in a size small. I could even size down some more because I still have a lot of room, but it's fine because it has like a ruched look. And here is the back of this look. It is more of a halter top, so I do love that. I just love this look. Like, this look is super, super cute. Okay, so I'm coming back through with another print dress. Like, this pattern is super, super pretty, and I just love that it has like this swirly color. It has a hint of like vanilla-ish caramel, or I should say beige, white, black, and of course brown. And I just love that it is a two-piece, meaning that you can wear it two different ways. So this is the first way that I'm wearing it right here. It does have like an opening to place your thumb, and it overlaps your hands, which I do like a lot. This is how the back is looking, and also the side. I just love how it just snatched me up. So of course I did mention this is the first look, so if I wanted to take this jacket or skin off, I actually can. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm actually taking this part off, and I could just wear it like this. So I think that's super dope because there's two ways that you can wear that, and it's just I think it's might look good, like might look good from the back. So it sits really nice. I just love this look. Like, this is actually really, really cute. Like, everything I'm telling you in this haul is super cute. So like, it's either really, really cute or cute, but they all cute. Like, but this is a look right here. Okay, so this right here, this is my baby. I love this jumpsuit so bad. It's so cute. I actually have it in two colors, but for the purpose of this video, I wanted to keep it more of a neutral fall color. So this is more of a burnt orangey color type of jumpsuit. So it has this stringiness, which is a little loose in this area, and I don't have big titties as well, so of course it doesn't really hold too much, but it's fine. So I won't have no slip outs, which is good. It has like, I don't know, like this piece just goes around, as you can see, and it straps up here, so it's all incorporated together. I got this in a small, but I gained a little bit of weight, so I look thick in this. It's kind of tight. It is very tight. I will put a picture of how it actually looked when I did wear it with the other color I do have. But this here it's super cute. So if you're kind of like thicker on the bottom, I suggest you to size up, because I had this probably over a month and a half before I moved, so I did gain a little bit of weight, so it's a little bit tight, but I actually like it tight. But for me, my area is here, and I'm gonna keep talking about this area. But yeah, so I can't really smooth it out. I'll just rock it like that. But I would wear it actually with a thong, because it's kind of transparent and see-through a little bit. So the next piece I am wearing is a bodysuit and these leggings. They do not come together, so you have to be careful, because the picture look like they come together, but you have to read. So they do come separate. And this is the bodysuit right here. Of course I wear it outside, but you can wear it inside. It looks even better inside, but I was like, you know what, for the purpose of this video, because I thought it looked cute outside, so I was like, let me wear it on the outside. And I got both of them, I think, in a small. I could have even sized down on the bottoms because it's super stretchy. As you can see, I can actually pull it, but I do love the pattern. I've been into the Sawtooth pattern a lot lately. I do have another outfit like that as well. This is how the back is looking, but if you want, you can tuck it in. It goes all the way down to my ankles. It's not really flooded, but yeah, I think this is a super cute, dope outfit actually. All right, so this next piece is this jumpsuit right here. Let me turn to the side so you guys can see. Like, this is so freaking sexy. Like, I love this jumpsuit so much. So it is a stretchy material. I got this in a small, and it's not difficult to get into, but there's no zipper, so you have to really just unravel the strings a little bit so you can work your way up. I didn't really have to do too much, but I had to be careful because I don't want these to pop out. And I think this is super sexy. It looks like a sporty type of cat suit, and it does reach my ankle area. And because of the stringy look, I would have to probably pair with some nice stringy strap high heels. And I just love the way it goes all over the back. And I would wear it with short hair too, because of course I do not want to cover up the style that's going on towards the side and the back. But this is very sexy. Let me step to the side. But this is so freaking sexy. Like, if I'm gonna say there's something in this haul that you have to get, it's gonna be this right here. It's like, for me, I would go to the club just like that, or a strip club vibe. It all depends on what your scenery is. Some people may not be comfortable wearing this. I did wear it with the thong, so I do have thong on, or probably a G-string. You could wear a G-string as well. Some people probably wear it with no panties, but for me, I'm not comfortable to just be walking around here with no drawers on. That's not for me. So even though, of course, it might mess up the look a little bit, but I'll probably wear it with a G-string. So something that's like a little bit thinner, so it does not show too much. But this here, very sexy. This here is another jumpsuit that I do have. I think I have one more jumpsuit, and that will be all. That won't be the end of the haul, but that will be all for the jumpsuits. But this one is super sexy. I got it in a small. I think I got it in a small, but I'll put the size down on the bottom. But I think if I haven't got a small, I could have downsized to an extra small. But if not, this is probably is extra small already. But they don't have an extra small. So yeah, so I'm stuck with a little bit of room left to me. I could either pull it down, but I don't like that gap that it's giving me, so I probably have to bring it up. So on the side, of course, it has these opening, which is tied up, and it's super sexy. For me, it's giving more of like strip club type of vibe. Like, I could go to the club, but it got to be something hood, not too classy, because this is a little bit too much. So I did wear it with my thong. Of course, I do not free ball at all. And on the opposite side, they have it as well. So the back, it has like this covering, so at least my butt is covered, so you can get away with wearing a thong. But yeah, it's super stretchy, very stretchy. I have a lot of room left on this. I love the material. The material is super soft, but I wish if it's not a small, I wish I could have downsized to an extra small. All right, so this is the last jumpsuit, and then we're gonna go on to the next couple of pieces I do have in this haul. Like, I don't know, I got a lot of like cut up open pieces, so don't come for me, but I love like a sexy look. So that's why I do tend to look for pieces like these and stuff like that, because I feel like you can switch it up. You don't have to look slutty. You can make it look classy. You can make it look actually good when you do accessorize it. So this one is like a cut up open. It reminds me of one of those stripper like bodysuits or stripper club attire that I do see at the strip clubs and stuff like that. So yeah, so it's like cut up open. I did wear it with a black panties, and of course I already wore this, so I'll put a picture here or here of how I did wear this look. And of course I would wear panties with this. And I think I wore it the same way with a bra and black panties. Of course, I love the olive color. I love that it has the holes all the way around, so it goes all the way around. Very stretchy material. This is a size small. I think I got this in a black. No, I actually have something similar like this in a black, but I haven't wore it yet or put it in a haul yet, but that will be coming up soon. But they do have the same one in black, so I'm thinking about getting another one like this in black. They have it in pink as well. They do have a lot of colors, but for me, the olive one really just stand out to me, and so that's why I did get this look. But this here is super gorgeous. All right, so this is the next piece or outfit that I did put together right here. This is a bodysuit. I think it is like, I don't know, it has some type of pattern, like more of Halloween pattern. So it has like some caramel colorish color colorish color, but it has like brown. It goes all the way around, and I did pair them with these bell-bottom jeans. As you guys know, I do love bell-bottom or flare up jeans, my favorite. all the time. I don't know what it does or why I like it, but it just does something to me. I think it's just old-fashioned and cute. So they're not too much flared at the bottom, which is good. These pants are so stretchy. I forgot the size. I normally get size 28, but I think that's the size I actually got. But super stretchy. Like, I just love the way it hugs me and stuff like that. It gives me a lot of shape. Makes my butt look good too. And of course it has the pockets here. Very, very stretchy. It don't have pockets in the front, unfortunately, but it's a very stretchy jean. So if you do have a bigger shape than me or big hips, I don't really have hips like that, but if you do have some hips, they would fit you really good. Okay guys, so this is the last piece that I am wearing here, which, not the last piece. All right, so this is the last outfit that I am wearing here. First off, I am wearing this Bustier type of stretchy material. I'm not sure what type of material it is, but it's actually real stretchy and it feels like plastic. I'm not sure what this texture or material is. It does have like this padded boob area, like almost like a bra. I could have downsized to a small because it is a little loose, so that means if I would wear this, I have to wear it with a push-up bra because I don't got that much up in the front, so I need a little bit of boost of cleavage. But I do love the top so much, and I did pair it with these. They're not like flared, but they are flared at the same time. You guys know I love flared. And it has a split going towards the sides. These are more so non-stretch, so therefore you do have to size up. These ran either small, medium, or large. I got this in a medium. I just read the reviews and just looked at the material and just sized it up with that because it said non-stretch. So I know that I have a little bit of booty and thick thighs, so I know I don't want to struggle too much, but it is still a little bit tight in this area. I gotta like suck it in to actually zip it up, but I don't know how it is if I'm gonna sit down, but we're gonna keep it cute. Not sure how it's gonna work, but we're gonna keep it cute. But both sides have that, and it has like the stretch towards the front, not really towards the back. So this is the side. Not too much space, but it does give me just a little bit of gap here. This is the back. I just love the way it fits for me, and I just love that split that's on the side. I think that is super cute. And for me, I gotta keep holding the top because the top is kind of loose. All right, guys, so we have come to the end of this haul. I loved all the pieces. Tell me what was your favorite piece in this haul and how would you pair it up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell while you guys are at it. And make sure you're following all of my social. If you guys want more of these Shein hauls or clothing hauls or try-on hauls in general, tell me down below, because like I think that I have a lot of clothes to show you guys, but I don't be going nowhere like that. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out because I have a lot of stuff that I have in mind, so I want you guys to let me know what you want to see next. There will be another Shein haul behind this as well. I think about like 3 more behind this because I have so much things to show you guys. And yeah, I am very happy that I came out with this review. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you guys soon.